The Dyson V15 Detect offers flexible charging options that are especially useful if you're having issues with your docking station or prefer a more convenient charging method. The Dyson V15 uses a removable 7-cell lithium-ion battery pack with 25.2 volts and typically 3,500 milliamp hours of capacity. This battery can be charged independently of the docking station. First, remove the battery by pressing the red release button and sliding the battery pack out of the vacuum. Handle the battery carefully during this process. Next, plug the Dyson charging cable directly into the battery pack's charging port. Then connect the power adapter, which outputs 26.1 volts at 1.1 amps, to a wall outlet. Monitor the LED indicators to track charging progress. A pulsing blue light means the battery is charging, while a solid blue light indicates the battery is fully charged. The complete charging process takes approximately 4.5 hours. Once the battery is fully charged, slide it back into the vacuum until you hear a click, confirming it's properly secured. Direct charging is nearly as efficient as using the docking station, achieving 98% efficiency compared to the dock's 100%. This makes direct charging an excellent alternative when the docking station isn't available or convenient. You can charge your Dyson V15 while the battery remains inside the vacuum. First, locate the charging port on the vacuum handle. The charging port is usually covered by a small rubber flap for protection. Gently lift this flap to access the port. Use the genuine Dyson power adapter and charging cable. Connect the cable directly to the exposed charging port. Monitor the charging progress using the LED indicators on your vacuum. The lights will show the current charging status and when the battery is fully charged. For safety and optimal battery health, always use genuine Dyson accessories. Charge in a temperature-controlled environment between 32 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Regular maintenance helps ensure reliable charging. Clean the charging contacts monthly with a dry cloth. If you experience slow charging, check your power adapter specifications and ambient temperature.